Hello sir, good morning. Okay, first of all, this is a unit. This is a single ionic locator with locator. Okay? This one, ordinary locator. Okay? And this is one, open that ionic. Okay? Uh, this is lead. Can you see to the target? Okay? Like one. 1.44. This is a circuit or live or wire. Okay? And more target, if a 10 voltage, this is number indicate 10 voltage, this is detecting bomb. Old bomb. Okay? And then, another target is gold. Barred gold or gold coins. This is a LCD. The indicate is 15 voltage are locate to gold barred. Okay? So, 3 target for ionic. Okay? And then, this is a threshold. Okay? And then, this is one, push button 2. Okay? First push, okay, off. First button, first. Charging. Okay? This one is a battery. Good battery. Our lead is blue. Okay? Then, can you plug here? Okay? This is change the red light for charge. Okay? Then, another one, unplug. This is good battery. Okay? And this one, push button again, laser. Okay? The laser is long range 50 meter distance. Okay? Like that. Ayan, wait a minute. Yan. Wait. Okay? Here. And then, off. Okay? Then normally, open. Okay? If you want adjust the threshold like that, wait a minute. Okay? Normally sound. Which one? Okay? Okay. Back. Long sound. Can you see the react? Okay. And this one, low threshold EPU ionic. Like. Okay. Yeah. This one. Okay. This one. 00 indicator. Indicate for LCD. If you detecting the metal or live, this indicate 1.40 voltage are indicate live or wire. Okay? If you indicate 10 voltage are detecting bomb. Okay? And then another locate for gold buried. This is indicate 15 voltage to 18 voltage. This is allocate gold or gold coins treasure. Okay? Okay. And then this is one, the long range and ordinary locator. Like that. Okay? This is push button. 2 push, 1, another one, 2, laser. Okay? So, can you see? Like, yeah. And then, the center of target of gold, can you round? Okay? Like, do you see that, sir? Okay? So, thank you. Okay? Off. And then, this is one, a blue light. This indicate for laser. Okay, laser, off, eh, ah, like that. Okay. So, push button again, push 1 to direct to charging, to indicate for blue. Okay. Push button again, direct to laser. Okay. So, thank you.